Recording the sewer here at 416 North 39th Street. Date is February 12th, 2021. I'm recording this from the clean out here at 416, coming back from the city main. So coming back into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe here. So this is the original concrete pipe for these homes. There's a set of what formerly was 4 homes tied into this line. Now apparently one has their own sewer and there's 3 homes tying into this line. Some root intrusion at the top of the pipe there. Coming to a section of PVC here. The tie-in on the right side of the pipe. I'll have to locate that after we're done recording. Also, it looks like the tie-in at the top side of the pipe there on the right. And then back into, from this 6-inch PVC, back into 4-inch. And up out of the clean out there. There's the end of the run from where the clean out is. Finishing the video.